Hi everybody, Jim from County Corvette here in Westchester, Pennsylvania. I have in front of me a 2019 Grand Sport. This car is a one owner, 3,000 mile car. Actually, it's under 3,000. Not much to say other than it's the right colors. You really can't have a Grand Sport unless it's Elkhart blue with red interior. Now, I know they made them. And there's some, listen, I say that jokingly, the Grand Sport's a handling package, body package and all that. But a Grand Sport traditionally is this color combination. And with the red interior, historically, these are the ones that really proved to be desirable. I know in the 96 version, the red interior cars today bring an absurd premium. I actually had a few of them back when they were a couple years old, back in '99. I had a red interior convertible, and I actually drove that car back here from Florida. Those red interior cars just bring an astronomical premium, you know, with good mileage. So this, in my opinion, is the one to buy. And, you know, from an appearance standpoint, this has that traditional look. Now, they have a Heritage Edition with the white stripe, which that's too much for some people. But the way this car was ordered, it's just really perfect. And I think has significant collectible potential in the future. So with all that said, this is a 2LT paddle shift automatic car. That's the way I like it. And that gives you all the memory packages and the head-up display. All the options you want. And you know, this car has no issues, no paint work. It's bone original. No chips, no scratches, no scuffs. The tires are perfect, the rims are perfect. It's as new as it gets, and it's still under factory warranty until fall of 2022. And that warranty can be extended. So this is a lot of car for the money. There will never be another front engine Grand Sport like this. So this is a great car to consider if you know you want to keep mileage down and have some future collectability. Of course, it's also a car you can just buy and road race if you want. We have quite a few guys who race the Grand Sports, and they're a lot of fun. I mean, they are not underpowered by any measure. It's not a Z06 supercharged engine, but to me, for the street, it just doesn't, you don't need any more power. Needing and wanting are two different things. So, this car is a Spotless Carfax. It's a one owner car. I bought it from the original owner, local guy. He just moved on to something else. He's into airplanes and all kinds of other cool stuff. So he just needed to get rid. He just never drove it. But he did buy it brand new, and you know, only drove it sparingly, always indoors. And I don't know, there's not too many of them on the market. I don't know of another Grand Sport Elkhart with a red interior on the market. So you're not going to be able to shop the car. There is a premium for this color combination, so it's a good ad. And you know, as everybody who's searching right now knows, the C7s are bringing a premium. It's never really been seen as far as I've seen it, but the new, you know, this entire climate we're in, there's a lot of desirability for C7s, let alone something with this rarity. So I would highly encourage you to take a good look at this car. It's a no excuses car. It's spotless in, out, underneath. We've got tons of pictures on the webpage. And if there's something that we missed somehow, please let us know. We'll photograph it. But I'm going to take you out for a ride in it, and I can say that it is the perfect day for a test drive. So let's go. Okay, we're all warmed up here. If you watch my videos, you'll know I really like to get cars up to proper temperature. Oil, and obviously coolant. Oil is real important to me. Okay, so This Grand Sport has 1,362 miles. Now I'm going to drive it in just the regular drive mode. It's going to shift itself. We'll go into the manual mode in a bit. But I want you to feel, if you can, obviously, if you're watching a video, I want you to see how nicely the thing shifts. It's really a smooth shifting, smooth driving car. They track real nice. The Grand Sport obviously is a wide body with the Z06 flares and extra wide tires. And you know, if you've got any road imperfections, you're going to feel it. But it does track nicely. We build a lot of resto mods for guys, and it's funny how a guy can have super long legs or super long trunk. At any rate, these cars are, yeah, they're very user friendly. So we're just cruising along here. We're 55 right now. There's not a vibration in this car whatsoever. Everything on the wheels and tires are balanced flawlessly. There's no wobble or anything. This car's never had any bumps, hits. It's probably never even hit a pothole, which is a little dodgy in Pennsylvania. Yeah, we're pretty well known for our shitty roads. I drive so many cars. It takes a little while. All right, so here we go. Let's get on this thing a little bit. So there's a Rev Limiter that doesn't like me to over rev the thing and will shut me right down. So you're probably better off not even paddle shifting it. That's really more for going into turns, that type of thing. But yeah, it runs perfectly. It's a fun car, and you know, even this Grand Sport engine, it'll light the tires up. That's why I kind of did a rolling accelerate. I just don't want to spin these tires. This car is just too nice to be doing that. So yeah, we're 1,364 miles right now. This car is close to new. It smells new. It feels new. It's as new as anything I would ask for, because you can't get a front engine Corvette new anymore. So this is the next best thing. I really do think this will be a collectible car if it's kept, you know, like this, and the mileage is kept down. Limited use. I think this car is actually going to go up in value. They actually have now since the 2020s and 21s came out and all the crazy shit happening in the world. It's actually tough to get a car. It's not usual where cars like this that are still on warranty are going up in value. But that's the world we're living in right now. So give Ed or I a call. Anything you'd like to know about this car, any deal you'd like to make, any trade you have, if you want to make an offer on it, we're reasonable. I didn't get into all the options on this thing too, with all the, you know, data cameras and all that stuff. We'll have the window sticker posted on the website so you can you can go through that. You know, most of the options I believe I listed in the ad. But if you have any questions about what this thing has or doesn't have, let me know, let Ed know, and I'll go through it with you. And we'll be happy to see this car go into a new owner. All right, listen, thanks for watching, and give us a call. Come buy this car. I don't think you're going to find another red interior one. Have a great day.